my soul. Oh, Jesus, when the waters rise around me and the storm is closing in, I hear you whisper in the chaos, peace, be still again. You are my refuge and my shelter, my helper in the darkest night. You hold my heart with perfect mercy, you pull me gently into light. You calm the winds and waves with just a word you say. Be still and know my name. Be still and know my name. Be still, my soul. He is God. He is God. Rest in His arms. He is God. He is God. Every fear will fade. Every storm obeys. Be still, my soul, and know He is God. You are close to every heartbeat. You are near to every tear. You stand beside me in the valley. Your perfect love casts out my fear. You are the rock I stand on firmly. You are the peace I can't explain. You are the answer to my weakness, forever faithful to remain. You calm the winds and waves with just a word you say. Be still and know my name. Be still and know my name. Be still, my soul. He is God. He is God. Rest in His arms. He is God. He is God. Every fear will fade. Every storm obeys. Be still, my soul, and know He is God. You are my strength when I have none. You are my light when day is gone. You hold my heart, you hold it strong. Jesus, you're my song. You speak and every storm must cease. You breathe and I fall to my knees. Your presence is my perfect peace. Oh Jesus, Jesus, be still, my soul. He is God. He is God. Rest in His arms. He is God. Yes, you are. Every fear